Alright, Salem, I'm going to ask you some questions, okay? What does a kitty say?
Meow.
Yay! What does a dog say? Yeah, that's a good job. Baby girl, what does, let's see, a frog say? Yes. Let's see. What does a dinosaur say?
Why?
What does it say?
Why?
Rawr. Good job. And this one's for Jordan. What does an owl say? What does an owl say, baby? You know this. What does an owl say? Salem. Salem. Okay, let's back up. What does a doggy say? What does a dog say? Yeah. And what does an owl say? Salem. Salem. You're silly. You remember what an owl says? You knew a couple minutes ago. Oh, what was that? What does an owl say? Yeah, good job, love bug.